Show of hands. How many of you, besides myself, have great survival books like this one sitting on your bookshelf collecting dust? Now, recently I came across something in the Air Force Survival Handbook called the water machine. It looked really interesting as far as how to get fresh drinking water from a snowy environment. We just had a lot of snow, so I wanted to put it into practice. So this video shows you how to make a water machine. So this contraption here is called a water machine. What I did was I built a tripod here, took a piece of sheet, turned it into a big triangle, using a quick release sheet bend on each corner of it. I just attached a small piece of paracord up to the top of the tripod here to hold the corners of the sheet in place. Filled it with snow, started a fire, and now I'm simply waiting for the heat of the fire to melt this water into the cup I placed underneath it. So it's been about 40 minutes and it's starting to crank it now. So we'll check it here again in a little bit, but yeah, it's starting to crank it out. After an hour, you can see pretty good glass of water. You know, the water tastes a little burnt, maybe a little smoky even. But if we operate in cold, snowy environments, staying hydrated trumps the taste of the water. Hey, I want to encourage everybody to go out and try this skill for yourself. Go try making a water machine. It is a great way to make lots of fresh drinking water from the snow.